Now let's get to know about the builder. You see, the builder has 3 decades of experience, massive delivery footprint, which means the perfect balance in construction quality. Now, what makes this project different? Unlike standard apartments that share partition walls with neighbor, every single flat here is a corner unit. The structure gives privacy. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas. Today we will be doing the project overview of Seal by DSR, which is located in Gopanpalli near the new Wipro campus, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can see that this is the exact location of the project. Now, your marketing office and your land parcel is going to be exactly over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now in the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Let's get to know about the project. It is constructed on 7 acres of land parcel featuring 6 towers with 2 basements till 38 floors having 3 BHK premium residences. Now coming over to the location part, this is the exact location of the project, which is located in Gopanpalli near the new Wipro campus, Hyderabad. You see, the Wipro new campus is going to be right adjacent to the project, the Gachibowli, the high-tech city area. Everything is very close by. Now when we talk about the connectivity part, the financial district is just 10 minutes away from here and the Gachibowli is just 12 minutes away from here. When we talk about amenities, the project comes with a curated set of modern amenities, which is going to include your grand clubhouse, your kids play area, your jogging track and a lot more. Now, if you were planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. You do need to watch the Rights of Home Buyers series. You see, many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? And if after possession there's any construction quality related issues, sometimes you don't even know what liability is. And as a home buyer, it's very important that you know what your legal rights are. Well, we have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend that you watch the series once, and you will find the link of the series in the description below. Now coming over to the super built up area, the super built up area for 3 BHK is going to be 1905 to 2800 square feet. Now, coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment scheme as well. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Seal by DSR, which is located in Gopanpalli near the new Wipro campus, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, from where you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.